Welcome to Aubergine Help video number 6. In this video we'll explain how to make blog posting more effective by showing some simple tips. WordPress-based websites are built around blogging, and there are some useful settings that can help maximise the impact and make blogs work better for you and your business. With this blog post I've written about blogging. If I click publish, it will go live immediately. However, I could also set the publish date to sometime in the future using this scheduler. Click on that. Here we are. So perhaps I'd like it next month, for example. This is handy if you've written something ahead of time, or maybe you've got a batch of blogs you'd like to publish gradually. You can also set the date to a past date. Now this might not seem so useful at first, but it can come in handy if you want to change the order of your blog posts. For instance, I could make that 2018. This is because they're usually always displayed with the newest blog post first. So to move to one lower down the list, choose an appropriate date and press publish. Now imagine you've written something and then you realise you much preferred a previous version for some reason. This might be because a vital piece of information was accidentally deleted, or it could be just the visual setup was better. Either way, it's possible to resurrect the old version of your page or blog post by using this handy setting here, saying revisions. Click browse to take a journey through time and then select the version you want. I think I'm going to go for this one, restore this revision. Click update, and from here onto the status option. Even when you've published your blog, you can change your mind and put it back to draft or pending review as you want by changing those settings there. Update, and it's no longer live. That's it. I hope this has been a helpful tutorial for you, teaching you how to make blog posting work more effectively for you and your business. Thanks for watching. Bye.